Hello team, so this is your POS solution which I'm going to show you. So this is the dashboard. Here you can check how much invoice we have created today, this month invoice, today's sale or month sale. Here we can check graphic presentation of invoice and sales. Here we can check recent buyers. Then we have a recent invoices, income versus expense we have. Then here we can check January expense, income, January sale, January net income, cash flow, task manager, and recent transaction. Okay, then we have a sales. So here we can check, like here we can create new invoices, so we can manage sale by POS. Here we can select product. Here we can select customer as well. We can add new customer. Here we will select if any shipping value was there, then we can set up. Here any extra discount, then we can select any employee as well who attend or uh, who attend this customer. Then we have any coupon, draft, invoice. Here we can manage some settings as well and all. Then we can complete a payment by card, and after this it will be complete. Here you can search your product. Here you can filterize easily. Okay, then we have like manage invoices. So how much sales you had done, that sale will come here. Here you can check number. Here number it will come, and then if you click there, that invoice will open, like bill, client number, email, invoice date, due date, terms of payment, invoices. And here you can check product name, product rate, quantity, tax, and etc. Then what is the payment status and method. Here you can check your signatures and any transactions and all. So this is the invoice. Then we have a sales. Here we can create multiple sales and invoice. We can manage that. Here you can complete sales by, like if you are selling any services as well, then you can manage it, service also. Here you can select client, invoice number. Here we can select any warehouse, tax, discount, invoice number. Here we can select product, and we can generate our invoices. We can check all types of invoice data here. Then we have a quotes. So all quotes data will come here. Here we can create multiple quote as well. Here we can manage our quote. Then we have a subscription. Then we can manage our subscription, like we can add subscription data, and we can add multiple things. After that, these are credit notes. You can check it here, and you can export your data. Then we have a stock or in item manager. Here you can check all types of product which we have created. You can view, you can print, you can check reports, or you can edit or delete. Okay, if you want to add any, then you can create your product here. Here you can set up your product variations and product warehouse easily. Okay, then we have product category. Here you can set up multiple category. Here you can set up warehouses. So we already add one warehouse here, like work, sales and stock quantity, total product and all. Here we can create multiple warehouse. Then we have a stock transfers, like transfer from, product, quantity, transfer to. We can manage that. Okay, then we have a purchase order, like new order or menu. We can manage that. Stock, so we can like supplier records, customer reports, we can manage that. Then we have a supplier, so like supplier data, many suppliers, we can manage that. Then we have a product label, so we can manage that also here. Then we have some CRM, so here you can create multiple of clients. Here you can add your billing details, shipping detail, custom field, and other some settings are there which you can manage. Okay, how much client you had created, that data will come here. You can view, edit, delete, or you can check that data, like you can check wallet, bulk payment, send message, edit profile, password change. Here you can mention address, shipping address. If anything was rejected, then it will come here. Then you can check summary, wallet return and payment history. Here you can check invoice, transaction, statement, code, and all the things. Okay, then we have client groups. You can create multiple groups. Then we have a support ticket, so if any user facing any issue, so he or she will can easily raise a ticket. So those tickets are created, their data will come here, you can check or you can answer that. Then we have a project manager, so here we can create multiple projects like title, status, progress, priority and all you can create. Okay, if you want to add any, then you can add here. We have a to-do list, so you can manage to-do list as well. In accounts, you can manage your accounts. So here you can add like account number and you can create your account once. Then like SBI account was there, this types of account you can create it. Okay, here you can manage your balance sheet, assets, expense, income, all things will come here. Then it will show you the what is the final. Okay, and then we have like account statement. Account statement you can manage, you can check. Then we have transactions, so here we can check transactions. If you want to add any transaction, then we can complete the transaction as well from account. Here you can transfer income, expense, client transactions we have. Then we have incomes, then income will come here, expense will come here. Then we have promo codes like in a coupon. Here you can get multiple promo code, or if you want to check promo code, the data will come here. Then we have a data reports, like here you can like business registration report will come here. You can easily view and delete, you can check the data. Okay, then we have a statement, you can check all types of statement like customer account statement, supplier, tax statement, product sales statement, graphic report we have, so like product category, trending product, to a top customer and all. Then we have summary report, you can manage the summary reports as well. Okay, then we have like notes. If you want to send any note, then you can create multiple notes or send to the already users. If you save here, then that note will come. Then we have calendar, we have document, we have in HR you can set up your employees, you can view, you can disable it, or you can create multiple roles. You can assign them a role. Let me show you that role. Here we can set up like all the things. Here you can set up role, or you can give permission, what permission you want to assign. For assigning, you just need to click on a permission and you can manage permission, what permission you want to assign on which role. Okay, then we have a payroll, then we have export import. So here you can export profile, people, data, transaction, product. You can easily manage that. Then we have account statement, we have, so account statement you can check it here. Then we have text export report, database report will come here. Then we have database background and product account statement we have, which you can release. Okay, and then here you can check like attendance, so your user can easily manage all that attendance. They just need to click on today and they can mark monthly attendance. Okay, product account statement we have, which you can check it here. Okay, this is the data here. Then you can easily attendance like clock in or clock out, you can manage that. Okay, so I thought now I off that. Here you can check like this is the simple user profile details which you can share with your users and all. Okay, now let me show you super admin features, like what permission they have, what they can do and all. Okay, so here you can check admin settings. Here we have some settings, so like want to change some data, you want to change currency and all, you can manage it. Okay, see business location, so here you can set up business location where you are working, so here you can set up your locations. Okay, these are solutions which we have created names, so here you can set up goals. Localization we have, so here you can manage your currency, language, date, format and all. Then this is email configurations, so here you can set up your SMTP easily. Okay, then we have like transaction category, email alert and about, you can check. Then we have advanced settings like some REST API we have which you can manage here. Okay. Then we have auto clone job, we have custom field, we have dual entry accounting, we have which you can manage here. You want to enable once and then you can select your account and you can update it. So dual account entry will work for you. Okay. Um, then we have activity we have and all. Then we have a billing settings. In the billing settings, like let me show you. So this is a billing setting. That product search setting we have zero stock billing, express product search we have, discount shipping we have, billing terms, auto email SMS. So you can manage your auto email SMS like you want to enable or disable it, that feature. Then we have default warehouse, so you can manage default warehouse. PO system we have. Then we have some product settings. So here you can manage unit, variation or variation variable. Here you can manage measurement unit. Here you can set up your variations. Here you can set up variables. You can add data here. Okay, here you can set up your mails, billing details. Okay, then we have a taxes. So here you can manage your taxes. Let me show you. Here you can enable or what like exclusive or what we call inclusive. What is the tax ID and what are there, you can manage it. Here you can set up tax slabs. What tax slab you require, you can use it. Okay, then we have like measurement unit, product variation we already show you. So these are payment related settings. So like here you can enable online payment setting, like enable online payment for invoice. You want to enable or disable that features. Then we have like payment gateway. So these are payment gateways. Type we have, these we have, and many more. Total 8 payment gateway we have, which you can use anyone. Then we have customer invoice payment currency setup. Then we have GOPOS which you can manage here. Then we have bank account which you can take multiple here. Then we have CRM and HRM settings. So here you can manage your self attendance. Okay, then we have a security and support system and all which you can manage. Then plugin setting, this is for a developer. Here you can set up your email and SMS templates. Then some printers and other things are there which you can manage yourself easily. Okay, I already show you the complete demo. If you have any doubts, query, then you can contact with me. Thank you.